Have you ever dreamed of owning a drone that feels like an extension of your own eyes, capturing breathtaking footage without the hassle of complex controls? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of DJI's latest sensation, the DJI Neo 2. But wait, this isn't just any review. We're talking about the leaks that shook the drone community before its official drop, the rumors that had everyone buzzing, and now the real deal that's living up to the hype. If you've been scrolling through tech forums or whispering about the next big thing in aerial photography, stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly why this tiny powerhouse is set to dominate 2025 and beyond. Imagine this. You're out in the wilderness, no remote in hand, and your drone lifts off from your palm, tracks your every move like a loyal companion, dodging trees and capturing 4K glory. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's the DJI Neo 2. And the leaks promised it all. Let's rewind a bit. Back in early 2025, whispers started circulating on tech sites and Reddit threads. Insiders were dropping hints about DJI cooking up a sequel to their wildly popular Neo drone. The original Neo, released last year, was a game-changer, a lightweight, palm-launched drone perfect for beginners and vloggers. But fans wanted more. Better cameras, smarter avoidance, longer flights. And boy, did the leaks deliver on that suspense. One of the first major leaks came from a blurry image on a Chinese forum, showing what looked like a slightly bulkier Neo with extra sensors. Drone enthusiasts dissected it pixel by pixel. Was that omnidirectional obstacle avoidance? Could it really sense obstacles from all sides? The speculation exploded. Then, a spec sheet allegedly from a DJI supplier hit the web. It teased a half-an-inch CMOS sensor, bumping up to 12 effective megapixels for photos, but rumors swirled about enhanced processing for sharper 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR. Imagine the colors popping in your sunset shots, the details in fast action sequences. No more blurry edges from the original's 30 frames per second limit. But hold on, because the leaks didn't stop there. Price rumors had everyone on edge. Would it stay under $300 like the first Neo, or creep up with the upgrades? Leaked retailer listings pegged it around $299 for the base model, with combos pushing to $399. Affordable? Absolutely. But the real hook was the flight time. The original Neo gave you about 16 minutes, solid, but not epic. Leaks promised up to 20 minutes or more, thanks to a smarter battery and efficient motors. Picture this, you're filming a hike and instead of rushing back, you get those extra minutes to nail the perfect angle. As the leaks piled up, videos started surfacing, shaky cam footage of prototypes zipping through parks, avoiding benches and birds like a pro. One leak even showed integration with DJI's new app features, like advanced AI subject tracking that locks onto you or your pet without fail. No more losing focus mid-flight. And the connectivity? Rumors of improved Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for seamless control from your phone, even in crowded areas. But let's not forget the drama. Some leaks turned out to be fakes. Remember that photoshopped image with a massive camera lens? It fooled thousands, sparking debates on forums. Yet, the real leaks built this aura of mystery, making the official reveal feel like a blockbuster premiere. Fast forward to late October 2025, and DJI drops the Neo 2 bomb. The leaks were spot on, but with twists that blew minds. First off, the design. It's still under 249 grams, no FAA registration needed in the US, but at 151 grams, it's a tad heavier than the 136-gram original. Why? Those extra sensors for true omnidirectional